My name is Gloria Mabasa. I was sick for a very long time. I went to so many GPs. They will give me different kind of medicine, of which I don't want to mention them. The problem with my leg will start at the bottom, and then the thigh will be painful, the back of the thigh, and then my bum as well as my back.
The first ga thoma go balwa go lwala e le motho e le gore ne o ba peinela leto le rurugile sa tse go etsagalang ke mmotsa ke rana leto le o etsagetseng ka ga lona.
He will give me injection on my back, injection on my bum, injection on the thigh, injection on the calf as well, like the entire leg. And then he'll tell me to walk.
Ka ke tsa metsi ke mothoba ke bidisa metsi ke mothoba ona ke tsa tasteful ke tlhakatlhakanya le matswai ka ofela ke tlhakatlhakanya.
Absheni Minjani, good morning, good afternoon, and this is Mama Cindy. Today, ni la Protea Glen, ni taken testimony. In 2023, I gave Gloria Mabasa SLD and STP. She had an issue with her broken disc and a sciatica nerve. And today, I'm not going to talk too much. And Gloria, see you later.
My name is Gloria Mabasa. I stay in Protea Glen, Extension 12, Soweto. I was sick for a very long time. I didn't know what the problem was. I went to so many GPs, and then they will give me different kind of medicine, of which I don't want to mention them. But it didn't work for me. They gave me the strongest medicine in such a way that when I urinate, my urine will smell medicine. Even when I'm walking, I could hear that this is not myself because my body was full of medicine. And then I decided to tell my GP to run tests. He ran tests for gout, he ran tests for arthritis, he ran tests for everything, but he couldn't find anything. And then he said, let me refer you to bone doctor. And then they took me to the doctor who deals with bones. And then he checked my bones. He said, I've got a very strong bone structure. He doesn't understand why I've got the pain. And then he also took me, he ran some tests. They called it a torch, but they couldn't find a problem. Then he thought it was stress. And then the problem with my leg will start at the bottom, and then the thigh will be painful, the back of the thigh, and then my bum as well as my back. He will give me injection on my back, injection on my bum, injection on the thigh, injection on the calf as well, like the entire leg. And then he'll tell me to walk. But still the problem won't go away because he said to me, you are still young. If I give you this injection, immediately you'll be fine. Then I started walking, but the pain was still there. He said, how are you feeling, Madam Mabasa? I tried to hide it. I said, I'm fine. But you know, when you are in pain, your face won't lie. So he said, sit down, ma'am. And then he wrote another letter. He said, I'm referring you to somebody else. And then he referred me to neurosurgeon. They did an MRI scan. That's when they discovered that I've got a broken disc in my spine. And then the problem that I was feeling on my leg, they say it's a nerve. So they said, I've got sciatica nerve. They said, have you heard about it? I said, what is that? I didn't know. It was the first time hearing about it. I didn't even know there's a condition called sciatica nerve. Then when I went home, I started Googling it because the pain was unbearable.
Ke mthelo re ke a thusa ka malapeng ke tsa ka bana and le gona me the first ga thoma go balwa go lwala e le motho e le gore ne o ba peinela leto le rurugile sa tse go etsagalang ke mmotsa ke rana leto le o etsagetseng ka ga lona e le na a tsebe re etsagetse ka ke tsa metsi ke mothoba ke bidisa metsi ke mothoba ona ke tja tasteful ke tlhakatlhakanya le matswai ka ofela ke tlhakatlhakanya gore a be right go fihla mo ile gore ne le tulantša le peina ba ya sepetlele a tlo sepetlele ona sa tsire ba bona ba sa bone next.
To be honest, it affected me because I'm not a sickly person. So it used to worry everyone. My son used to be affected because he started driving young. Even my daughter, now she drives my car as if it's hers. So it affected everyone. They had to learn how to drive because now Mama is Nyawan. So to be honest, I thought this was the end of me. So I will Google about the nerve, that if it gets damaged, you understand when something is damaged within you, then it's a problem. So I was praying to God that I don't want to reach that stage. And also, it will start with the right leg. If it doesn't get healed, then it will affect the left leg. So that was my challenge every day, but I wouldn't tell them because as a mother, they cry to you. You can't cry to the child. So I will pretend as if I'm fine, but my firstborn, she knows me. She'll find me sitting and then, Madlo, what's wrong? I said, no, nothing wrong. But she knows that it's the leg. Your leg is still painful. I said, but so I will always, because I will think, okay, because the one thing that I didn't tell you is that when I got the result, when the doctor was explaining to me, I said, what now? He said he's going to put me on chronic for some medicine. I said, I don't want to be on chronic. I don't want that. I don't like medication. He said, okay, the next option is for you to be operated. And then I said, what are the chances? He said, we don't guarantee anything that he has to be operated. I spoke to my husband, I spoke to my kids, everyone was against it. Even the doctor, he said, I will advise because it's my job. However, if there's a solution, we always avoid to operate. To be honest, I looked at my age, I looked at my kids, I recently lost my sister. I said, this will devastate my kids. If I'm on a wheelchair, my life will be finished. I didn't want that, to be honest. I didn't want that. And also, even before the wheelchair, for me to be sick with a leg, it was a problem. Then I was asking myself, how is this man taking? You are working with someone who's wrapped her leg with a towel. I was asking myself if he's pretending to be okay with the situation that I'm struggling with, or I was just asking myself, what will happen to me in 5 years' time, 10 years' time, 3 years' time? Am I gonna live like this forever? What if they amputate? So to be honest, I was traumatized. I was not enjoying my life at all. With my husband, there was a massage that he used to do at night. He will massage the left leg without a pain. He will massage that every night, and then at least I'll be able to sleep. Up until one day I was I was searching on I was always on YouTube checking, and then I saw this supplement, but I didn't take it to heart. And then I met Mama Cindy one day at the mall, and then she was holding the SLD and STP, and then she said, I was wrapping my leg with a towel. And then she said, and then you, Mas Butsana, why are you wrapping your leg with a towel? Because I know you love to be beautiful. So you are looking good, but your leg is wrapped with a towel. And then I said, my friend, I've got this unbearable pain. When I drive, I at least I can only drive when I have wrapped it with a towel. I don't know what's wrong. They said it's sciatica, but nothing is working. She gave me SLD and STP to try. I tried it. And then I think the first week I went through healing crisis. I complained to her. I said, I don't want something that will take me to the toilet. I want something that will heal my leg. She said, please, just be patient and take the supplement and stop complaining. I took the supplement with her guide. I don't even know when did the problem go away. The person who noticed that I don't have a pain anymore was my husband, when he said, these days you don't ask me to rub you anymore. What's going on? I said, yeah, ne. That's when I discovered that I am no longer in pain. I even forgot that I used to be in pain. So I think I took SLD for a month, still complaining to her. The second month, that's when I was enjoying everything. Now I'm taking it serious now, because now I could see that now I'm seeing results. Then I took them. That's when and now I'm taking them without anything. I'm not mixing with anything. It's only the supplement. That's how I knew that they are helping me, because I was not mixing the supplements with painkillers. It was just the supplement and me. So when I phoned her again, I said, the supplements. So now you know this thing works. And then I took it, I think, like I said, it was 3 months, and then I was off the SLD and STP. Currently, I'm not taking anything. There is no pain which is painful like a nerve pain. That thing is very painful. I don't pray it to anyone to have it. She was telling me that I'm so grateful that I'm not sick. I felt so bad. I'm like, okay, where did I get this nerve thing? Because the doctor asked me, were you in an accident? Did you fall? And I did not fall. I don't know how my back got affected, but he said I've got a broken disc. How it got broken, I don't know. So now I can even go to the gym. I run on the treadmill. I can lift weights. I can do anything. I can attend aerobic classes. I can do anything. I decided to join the business because to be honest, when I took the supplement, I did not have faith in them. I was just taking it. You know, when you are sick, if they say eat cow dung, you are going to eat it because you just want to be healed. The pain was unbearable in such a way that I didn't enjoy life. When they invite me to parties, I wouldn't go. So I started taking, and then when I got my solution, when the leg, like now I'm fine, I said, why don't I join the business? Why don't I help other people with a similar situation? I joined the business. I'm helping people. I sell the supplement with pride. And the other people that got the same problem with me, they are joining me. Now I've got another person that I have helped. He had sciatica nerve pain as well. His name is Tebogo. He even said you can mention my name because he didn't even finish the box. With me, I saw the result when I took the second combo. With him, it was half of box. He only finished 15 supplements. Then he saw the results. With me, it took one and another combo to see the result. I had to buy a third combo to be completely healed. With him, he didn't even finish the combo and he's fine. He's also struggling from sciatica, but now he's fine. So now I can wear heels. I can sit with an aircon on. I can even, because before, with a pain, I wouldn't drive with an aircon on in my car. But now I can drive with an aircon on. When I sleep at home, my husband loves to turn his fan on. So now we can sit with the fan on. I don't complain. I can't believe that I am living my peaceful life like never before. I'm wearing heels, I'm going to church, I'm dancing like never before. And I thank APL Go for introducing SLD and STP. The supplements are powerful. I tell everyone about this supplement with confidence. I say, go and try this. When I refer them to Mama Cindy or whoever, or to the company at APL Go, they come back to me and thank me. A lot of people who are suffering with sciatica nerve, now they are getting healed because of this supplement. So everyone who's got the same challenge, please don't stay at home with your challenge, or maybe usabe ucanga ukuthi ama-sweet awasebenzi or uchaba uhlekta ukuthi the-sweet letateri ti-supplement tateri loko i hlupha hi nerve u nga tshami i ti byela ku ri hey kumbexana misava yi herile, this is it. Hina solution hi ta ku pfuna, ni pfunekile na mina vo Mama Cindy va ni pfunile. Now it's my time ku ri ni pfuna n'wina. So unga chavi ku ta ka mina, reach out to me, ni ta ku pfuna. I will take you through this journey. You are not alone. Thank you.